Hello. Hello. Yeah, try to see if the link is there. Then you join. Yeah. Mm. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I'm able to get you. Are you able to get me?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, we can start. We can continue where we ended. Remember, I was saying the details which comes here are put from the GRIN, so you don't have to do anything. You simply save it the way it is. Yeah, it means that you have already done the booking. So you save it, it goes there. Then from there, the only thing to do is to post the purchase journal here. So as you can see, the moment you click here, the amount of the GRIN comes, which is the 24 there, okay, before VAT. So you select that one. Then now you select also the GRIN which you are matching to it. Here you simply select posting there, and here on top you post it. Then that's, you can see it says, please check your invoice matching is now complete. So you simply say, okay. Yeah, it's done. So now, here we are done. There's nothing to be done. You just exit. Where do we, yeah, exit here, record. So now, remember what I was saying. If you check here under the GRIN, it should be cleared by now. Okay? Because guy, you have posted the invoice. So I don't expect the GRIN suspense to be there. Yeah. So let's see what has happened. Now, if you check, have you seen that the GRIN suspense is not there?
Yes.
Yeah, it has disappeared. It's replaced by creditors, and the creditors have also gone down by the same 2,700 something there. Okay, so it has, because that one was a credit, so this is where it has gone there. So if you check your trial balance is also balancing. That's the way how it is. But that 2007 something, if you want to see it, you go under supplier ledger, because at the end of the day, you'll be reconciling your supplier statement, the one which comes from the supplier, and also your internal ledger. These two must tie up. Okay, how are you going to reconcile it? Reconcile it. You come here, you select Uria Station Award. Yeah, you select that company there. Okay, then here you simply say creditors. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, are you able to get me? Hello, hello. Yeah. Are you there? Or hello, madam?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
I can hear you.
Okay. Have you seen that 2,784? It is here inclusive of VAT. Okay? Yeah. So this is the way how it is. The same 37.8.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the same which is showing there. Yeah, as a balance. It's actually copying from here to take it to the trial balance there. Now, Suppose you want to pay this 2,784. This is the same way. Remember the way we created the payment voucher? You close here, yeah? Then you go to the purchases here. There is where it says payment voucher. You click here, payment voucher. Then now here, you put the date when you are paying. Maybe we are paying today, okay? Then here, you simply select the supplier who you want to pay, which is Station World, okay? Then the check number, you put the check number. So we say maybe check number, okay, here we have to write it properly. Check number 004. Okay. These are kwacha amounts. So yeah. So you don't have to remember any amounts. The system knows what you want to do. So you simply select the invoice for that one, which is this one. You select it there. It knows how much you want to pay there. By selecting the invoice, you don't have to do anything. You come here, you say final payment. If you are not paying final payment, you can adjust the amount to pay. Maybe you want to pay 2 penny only. You can put 2 penny there. So it's 784. The system will keep it for you. That's what happens. Yeah. So now I will say final payment. That's all. Final payment. Yeah, that's it. Then what do I do? I will simply save it here. Yeah. Yeah. Then always print the payment voucher. For the people to sign, you need to sign yourself, and the person who is in charge of authorizing the payment need to sign that. Because the auditors, when they will come, they will ask you, where is the authorization? Have you seen this? Yeah. So your name will be appearing there and the amount there. So this is your payment voucher there. Once it's signed, remember what I said? The person who is doing the bank reconciliation will still want the supporting document for this and the payment voucher, which is properly signed. Why do they need this? What if there was a payment that went into the bank without any authorization? You can easily catch it, because whatever you see in the bank there, this is money, it's your money, yes, which is being paid out. It must be properly authorized. Without authorization, no supporting document, you query the bank to say, who authorized this payment? That's why you need this document properly filed for many, many years to come. Even those people who come up after you will be able to know, to say, oh yeah, there was a payment of this amount. When they cross-check with the bank statement, they must be able to see them. That's the way how you do it. Okay? So now, here, the only thing which you need to do is you just post that. Don't forget to post it. Yeah, you post that. If you don't post, it will not, it will not match that invoice on the supplier ledger. What I mean is, if you go to the supplier ledger after posting, see what has happened now. So, where is the supplier ledger? My supplier ledger is here. So if I check here and do this, yeah, I do this, okay, I do this, where is stationary world? Yeah, there. Then I'll say creditors, yeah. Then now I do this. Now you see what has happened. Have you seen that my payment is also quoting the invoice number? Have you seen this invoice number here?
Yes.
Yes, the payment must exactly quote the invoice number so that whoever is reconciling, can you imagine? You are going to be sending, the customer will tell you to say, send us your statement so that we reconcile. They should not have trouble to say, now this invoice, which payment is relating to this? No. It shouldn't happen that way. The document must speak on its own. You don't need someone to go and explain it to anyone. A person looking at that ledger, that statement, let it not get lost. That's the way how it is. That's what is required. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So I think that is done. Now the only job which is required, if that payment here 2P784 has gone through the bank, you simply transfer it from payment, because right now the credit is lying under payment control account as what? Unpresented checks. Okay. Once it runs on the bank, you see it, and everything is tying up with your record properly checked. Then you simply transfer it there. Then you also indicate it from the payment voucher paid to say cleared on such a date, so that at least there is proper control. Because where money is concerned, there must be proper control, so that whoever will come after, even the auditor, once you say here is the cash book, here is whatever, they should not come back to you to ask you to say, I don't understand this. The document must speak on its own. Okay? Yeah. So this one is done. So I don't know if from here we still have, oh yeah. You wanted to see, I haven't shown you the payment control account. Want to see a credit of 2,700 there, okay? So that we see, you see the way how they will be dropping. Okay, so here I'll say payment control account. Oh, sorry, payment, yeah, control account, yeah. Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. Have you seen that the 3,000 which is in that's the one which we did earlier, where we said that one appeared in the bank. Now all these which are the three, the 40,000 and the 2,700 means they are not yet on our bank statement.
Water. Sorry, Mr. Christopher, just hold on.
Oh.
You have to processing. Yadama 50,000. That was the deposit. The deposit. Hello, we can continue.
Yeah. So as if you remember, we said the 3,000 kwacha appeared in the bank. The one which we did the other time. So that's why it's cancelling out, is in and out. So the only figures which are remaining, you can even check from here. We have only this one 40,600 and the latest one 2,784. So let's assume that this 2,784 has now finally appeared in the bank. It's as simple as that. So we simply go back there. You go to the journal there. Yeah. Create, where is this one? All right. So you check the date from your bank statement when it appeared. This date which you are putting here is the date which you have seen it on your bank statement, that this payment is actually showing there, so that whoever is reconciling should not have any problem whatsoever. Okay, let's assume it's the date there. Now here, always put the same check number. Check number should never differ. Yeah. So check number, yeah, it was 004. Okay, I will require this one. I'll copy it so that I use it where we are going. There I'll put one. Yeah, here you are not dealing with surprise. It's a pure general journal. So now here we say, remember what I was saying, we are removing that one now from payment control account to the cash book. We are transferring, it has appeared now, it's there in the bank. So here I'll say being payment or payment for that one was for what? For stationery. Now cleared. I think you need to also, if you want, you need to remember you have enough space where you bought it. If you want, you can even include the company name. Yeah. Okay. Payment for stationery from Stationery World. Now cleared. The check number, that one. The information must be very, very clear. Yeah, so that you don't need to be asked to say, so now here we are saying what bank is that? Yeah, that's the bank. So yeah, we put it there. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh sorry, I didn't even put the nine here. So here, how much was that? 2,784. No problem. Yeah. Did you know that you can leave the journal like this and come and work on it later? Suppose you want to go for lunch. You simply, I know it will give you a bit of problem to save. Do you see what is writing there? Even
Yes.
if you say, okay, you are hurrying for lunch, you can simply use this one and move out. So the next thing, the next day when you come, maybe tomorrow morning, you simply go back there and come here and record that journal. Have you seen that it has come back? Yes. You don't necessarily need to say, no, until I finish this, that's when I will knock off. No. You can save it there, leave it. Even after 2 weeks, you can go back. As long as you haven't yet posted it, you can see it's not balancing, but I've left it there so that I can continue. So I will now complete it. So I'll simply say, okay, there is even an amount, it shows it's out of balance by how much? 2,700. I'll put it that one. Yeah, that's it. So now, that's it. It's done. The next thing is just post it. That's all. There is nothing to be done, which is complex. Nothing at all. No twin if you could transfer. You just check per bank statement, per bank statement, and appear. You just transfer it. That's it. You don't have to worry. Even in these issues of to say reconcile, this one, remember, there is no way someone can goof up the bank record. It's impossible. Because for you to do a recon is automatic. So where are you going to get to manufacture the figures? For you to pass a figure, it must be supported by proper accounting document, which means that if you don't have those, if you pass a journal, people will know to say, journal, where did it come from? Rather than these things which they do in Excel, they can do anything there. If there are 40 entries, who is going to bother to go through those to say, this one, it doesn't look okay? It's difficult. This one is impossible. You have to only, once you have seen something on the bank statement, only then can you move it. And for you to move it, it must be supported with convincing documents. Without that, forget it. So now, let's see our cash book. What we, I haven't posted it. Oh, it's posted. Okay, let's see our cash book now. We should see our, how much is that? 27. Okay, all right, yeah. So, okay, my cash book was the bank. Which bank was that? Zanaco, yeah. Preview here. Have you seen it there? Hello? Hello?
Yes. Sorry, I was on mute. I can see.
Yeah. You can see the entries are building up there. So similarly, when you receive the AMA cash deposit, they will be coming on the debit side there. So what I'm trying to say, as long as you are keeping your entries like this, or your book balance, your cash book balance will be always the same as your bank statement. To my bank charges will be removing them as you are going there. That's all. That is the beauty of this one. So whatever is there, it will be always tying up. You don't have to assign someone to say who is going to do the bank reconciliation. No. You don't need that. It's totally not required whatsoever. Yeah. Even if there are some uncredited deposit or unpresented checks, you simply check under payment control account. You can even tick to say, oh, they haven't gone in. When you go to your box file there, you can put out the voucher to say, okay, this voucher they haven't gone through the bank. As simple as that. Even if you have a query to the bank, you can even go with your voucher to say, as far as I'm concerned, this, I paid them, but they are not showing in the bank. As simple as that. That's all. It's the same, even for receipts, it's the opposite of this one. That's the way how it is. So in this one, you don't even need to worry to say someone can go away with the money. How? There is no way. Because to move anything, it must be supported by the document. That's the way how it is. So I don't know if you have any query on this one, because for payment, that's way how you do them. Receipts, again, is the opposite of this. Are you still there, madam? Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Sorry, I was putting myself on mute. I was saying, okay, you can just send the recordings. We'll be going through
Okay.
as we train. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So my advice to you, there is that training thing which you have put on your computer, you use it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me,